Hello everyone, welcome to Global Disaster News. A strong earthquake of 2.5 magnitude felt in Chile. Depth of this earthquake is 99.1 km and this earthquake occurred on Tuesday, March 15, 2022. Local time is 2:47 am. Nearby towns and cities is Tarapacá. Weather at epicenter at time of quake: clear sky, 15.3 degrees centigrade, humidity is 66% and wind is 1 meter per second from west and north. Estimated release energy from this quake is 98.6 kilowatt hours. If you are in Chile and you felt this quake, so make sure to comment, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more latest updates. Thank you.